Hi everyone. So in this video, we will be discussing about the detailed syllabus of Accenture. So Accenture is hiring the candidates for 2026 batch. Okay. And this hiring is for 2026 batch on campus. Many candidates will be having the exam on 26th of September. So in this video, I will be covering the whole syllabus for Accenture. Okay. So let's discuss about the whole syllabus. So first, this is the assessment one, which is cognitive and technical assessment. You will be getting total 90 minutes to complete this assessment. Now this assessment is divided into total two parts. The first part we call is cognitive assessment. The second part which we call is technical assessment. The cognitive assessment is divided into multiple sessions. One is English ability, second is critical thinking and problem solving, third is abstract reasoning. The technical assessment is divided into total three parts, which is common application and MS Office, pseudocode, and fundamental of networking, security, and cloud. Now, to understand this, okay, let's discuss this in detail. But before going ahead, I just want to tell about this that if you want to prepare for Accenture, okay, for Accenture, there is mock test series available. You will be getting the link in the description, which you can purchase for your preparation. Everything is available here based on the last year. Two mock tests are available which you can use for your preparation. It is totally based on last year. Then practice tests are also available. Then technical MCQ practice also available for 10 hours of mock test. Then practice test aptitude is also available for 8 hours of mock test. So a lot of things are available for the preparation. So you can enroll in Accenture mock test series if you want to prepare quickly for Accenture. Now let's talk about the syllabus in the detail. The first is English ability and verbal. So it comes in cognitive assessment. You will be getting total 50 questions and 50 minutes in the whole cognitive assessment. In that cognitive assessment, you will be getting around 17 questions from English. I will be making a free preparation series. In the free preparation series, we will be also covering the topics. Okay, different topics which are being asked to you. But let's talk about the syllabus first. So in these 17 questions, majorly the questions will come from sentence correction, preposition, grammar, reading comprehension, synonym antonym, item phrase, speech and tenses, articles, sentence selection, spotting error, and sentence arrangement. If you look carefully, this is a whole grammar section with verbal. The level of the difficulty will be easy. All the level of the questions will be easy. There would be around 17 question. If you will able to score 12 plus, it will be a very good score. Overall, if your preparation is decent enough, not so much good, easily you can score 12 because the level of the questions will be easy only. Only you need to focus more on the grammatical things. Most of the things they will be asking that are related to English grammar. Next topic we have, that is critical thinking and problem solving. In this section also you will be getting around 18 questions. Okay. In these 18 questions, the major topics will be arrangements, blood relation, statement and conclusion, coding decoding, agree disagree psychometric analogies, inferred meaning, logical sequence. 18 questions would be there. Series is also important to prepare for this. And 50 minutes shared you will be getting for this. Some question you will be getting here would be easy. Very few question like 5 to 6 question you will be getting which would be easy to medium. Okay. So according to that you can prepare here. Also this section is not much difficult. It is also easy only. A good score would be around 10 to 12 plus questions. If you have solved, it is a good score if you are correctly solving 12 plus questions or 10 to 12 questions. Okay, because some question can be little bit tricky, so according to that, uh, 12 would be a good score, and this will come in critical thinking and problem solving skills. Then there is next section, which is abstract reasoning. Now, abstract reasoning is totally different, and you need to practice a little bit about it because it is a different concept. Visual reasoning, flowcharts, visual reasoning, DI, directional sense, and sitting arrangement. Majorly, these things you will be getting here in the abstract reasoning. Around 15 questions you will be getting here. 10 questions would be a good score to answer this section. One thing I also want to discuss, the overall score of cognitive and technical assessment includes in the final selection, which already the Accenture team confirmed last year. So your cognitive and technical assessment score will be also counted for your final selection in Accenture. That's why scoring a good score is important in these sections. Now, technical assessment will be including total 40 questions, which would be a direct MCQs on common application and MS Office. MS Office will be divided into PPT, Excel, Word, and Outlook. Okay. Pseudocode. So pseudocode you will be getting the basic pseudocodes. Okay. Also in this pseudocodes, the no need to like prepare for a specific programming. This will be programming free, but the logical thinking will be there, and the code level will be very easy. The codes will be easy, just basic concepts you need to revise. Then fundamentals of networking, security, and cloud. So this also you will be getting fundamentals of networking, security, and cloud. Okay. Assessment 2 is coding assessment. The duration of the assessment is around 45 minutes. You will be getting two questions that must be solved using any of the following language: C, C++, .NET, Java, and Python. Okay. So you will be getting around to 45 minutes. It will be a second assessment. If you will clear your first assessment, you will be getting the coding assessment. Now, the topics for the coding assessment, first सबसे important is arrays and string. Manipulating data stored in sequence like reversing array or finding patterns in text. Okay, so array and strings is important. The level would be easy only. The question level would be easy. So array and string is important. Then basic IO operations like handling user inputs, performing calculation, and displaying the results correctly. So this kind of questions. Sorting and searching type of questions you may be getting, implementing algorithm to organize the data, find a specific element efficiently. Mathematical problems like solving the number related puzzles like prime check, digit operation, or simple formulas. Pattern printing, so some kind of patterns also you may get. And string manipulation, tasks like palindrome checks, vowel consonant counting, or character replacement. And common questions type will be number operations, working with factors, digits, mathematical properties of numbers, and simple data structures like basic use of lists, maps, sets, stores, and retrieve information. So after that, there would be a communication assessment. If you will clear these things, you will be getting the third assessment, which is communication, for approximately 30 minutes, and we will be discussing about in a separate video in detail manner. Whole the syllabus I have already covered in this video. I hope you guys got the idea. Free preparation series I will be uploading. Also, mock test link you will be getting for Accenture, for which you can enroll. You will be getting the mock test here for Accenture, which you can use for your preparation. Thank you so much for watching.